In a neighborhood once vibrant and full of life, a problem was growing. Heavy rains would come, and soon, our streets and homes were flooded. Everyone felt helpless, complaining about the overflowing canals, but no one knew what to do. Then, one person decided to act. His name was KPK. He made a sign that read, Kanal Camp, meaning, the canal won't stand, and stood by the dirty water. At first, people just laughed at him. But KPK didn't give up. Day after day, he was out there, shovel in hand, clearing the trash alone. His determination was contagious. Soon, one by one, neighbors joined in, children, shop owners, families. Together, we transformed our community. The canal now flows clean, our homes are safe, and a powerful lesson was learned. One person's courage can inspire a movement. What will you do to change your world? Thanks for watching.